Conversation between two friends. Asking for money. I am Abhishek.
And I am Ritesh.
Day 1. Hey Ritesh, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And how about you?
I am so.
What happened to you, Abhishek?
You know, I am in hard need of money. That's why I have came to you.
I have some money with me to buy a cell phone to give my mom on her birthday. By the way, how much money will suffice your need?
Actually, I need rupees 5000.
5,000. Don't you think it's a huge amount?
Yes, of course, dear. It's a huge amount. But I don't have any alternatives. If you will help me in this critical situation, I will be indebted to you.
I can lend you this huge amount provided you return it in a week.
Yes, of course, dear. I will return it in a week.
Here this is.
Thank you, friend.
You are welcome, dear.
Now we end the conversation.